Welcome to online classes, student. So let's start our EVS video. Okay, so in this class we are going to start our next worksheets which are left. Okay, you can see what we have done. We have done our worksheet 3, which is related to more about plants and more about animals, right? And this one is related to our previous chapter. So let's do the other one, next one, that worksheet 4. Breathe in and breathe out. We have two spongy air-filled bags, which means lungs, right? They have filling bags, air-filled bags that call lungs inside our chest. The lungs are protected inside the rib cage. Okay, so you can see easily in this picture. Okay, you can see this in this picture. The lungs are given to us, and some other parts are also given to us, and we have to recognize it and write the proper name of it. So the you can see one letter is given to us, and we have to fill this. Okay, so we will start from our left side, which is N. So N, and this arrow shows our nose. Okay, so we can write here nose, N-O-S-E, nose, where we take our air inside our body, right? From our nose we take air now, right? So you can see the next one on the left side, which is ribs, right? Okay, R is given to you, and this one is known as ribs. These kind of this one is R-I-B-S, ribs. Okay, and the next one, which is given to us in a written manner already, that is windpipe. Okay, where we take our breath inside our lung, that is windpipe. And the last one is lungs, the two air bags which fill with the air when we take breathe in or breathe out, right? Okay, now there are some fill-ups are given to us, and we have to do this with these options given to us. So we will take it in the right box. Let's do this. Okay, to breathe in is to inhale. To take breathe in, which means to inhale, सांस को अंदर लेना. To breathe out, to exhale. Our body takes in oxygen from the air, we breathe in. Okay, so the first fillip is inhale. The second, when we out, that is exhale. So you can write on exhale, that is 2. Okay, second blank is exhale, right? Now our body takes oxygen, right? Our body takes oxygen. We taking oxygen inside us, right? So the third flip is oxygen. And from the air, when we breathe in and the sense out, now if we take inside our body, that is oxygen, then which gas we breathe out? We breathe out the carbon dioxide. So the first one is inhale, right? Then second one is exhale. The third one is oxygen, and the fourth one is carbon dioxide. So from these 4 points, what we have learned? That we have learned that when we take inside the air, that is not inhale. When we out the breathe, okay, breathe out, that is exhale. And our body takes which air inside, that is oxygen. Okay, and which take breathe out, that is carbon dioxide made in our body when we exhale, right? Which means when we breathe out, right? The 4 fill-ups are done. Come to fifth one. When we inhale, right? When we inhale, air enters through our, okay, from which organ we breathe in. So from the nose we always breathe in. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one is nose. You can write 5 over nose, right? Okay, now we have done how we take the air in from which organ? We take from nose. Okay, from here the air goes into the windpipe, right? Now when we take the breathe in, which means when we take the air inside our body from our nose, that air go to windpipe, which means here, right? When we take inside our air, you can see this one is windpipe, and that is go to inside our body. So that one is windpipe, right? So this leads the air to dash. Where they leads to where the windpipes take the air, that is leads to our lungs, right? So the next one is after windpipe is lungs. Okay, when we inhale the lungs, and yes, when we inhale, which means when we take the breathe in, the lungs expand. If you see, when we take air inside our, we expand our chest, which means we are expanding our lungs, right? So there will be expand or get bigger. Okay, so the last second fill up is expand. Now come to the last one. When we exhale, which means when we breathe out, the lungs contract, which means compressed. Okay, when we breathe out like this, that means we have contract, right? So you can see when we you can see here science activity, practice the breathing exercise. This is a breathing exercise. Breathe in, breathe out. By this method we can also stress out, right? If we are taking breathe in and breathe two exercises, that make us very soft, that make us very cool, right? Cool and calm. So we should do that. And yes, students, come to the other point where the when we exhale, the lungs contract, they squeeze into air out of the body, right? When we exhale, the whole air of our inside body goes out in the environment, that is carbon dioxide, as I said, right? So inhale first, second exhale, third oxygen, fourth carbon dioxide, fifth nose, and yes, after fifth, sixth one is windpipe, and then lungs, and then expand, last one is contract, right? So as we have done our this worksheet 4, right? Let's do the other worksheet, which is worksheet 5, which is related to our body. Again we are going to talk about body, but this worksheet is about something. The sentence is given to us, some kind of thing given to us, and we have to guess it. What is it, right? So let's do this. Okay, now there is also option given to us to take the answers, and yes, there are some sentences given to us, and we have to follow these rules. Okay, and we have to recognize this, what is it, right? So as first one is, bones are covered with this. Yes, bones are covered with flesh, right? Okay, place where two bones meet, like if I haven't this one, you can see we can move it. This means there is a joint, right? I have a joint here, I have a joint here. So this one is non-joint. When the two bones connected to each other, that is known as joint. So first one is flesh, second one is joint, right? Now come to third one. When you break a bone, when a bone is break out, what we do? That known as fracture. We have fracture that time, right? We had a fracture. Okay. Now the third one is fracture. Fracture, F-R-A-T-U-R-E. You can see inside your worksheet 5. Okay. Let's do the other one. Okay. Where the thigh and the lower leg meet. You can see our thigh, right? And after that the lower leg meet. That known as knee. As we said, bend on your knees, right? So knees where the thighs and the lower leg is joined, that is known as knee. So you can see. Okay, I think I have forgotten the other ones that protect the brain, and this material set broken. So let's do that. The fourth one, protect the brain. Who protect the brain? Skull protect the brain, right? Then go to next. This material sets broken bones, which means if you have a broken bones, that will be joined after this. What is it? That is plaster, right? And then on the next, where thigh and lower legs meet, that is not knee. So on the first there is flesh, second joint, third fracture, fourth skull, fifth one is plaster, and sixth one is knee. Come to seventh one. On the seventh, we can see where the hand join the arm. Where hands join the arm. This is our arm, right? Okay. Where it is? It is from our shoulder. From the shoulder, we join our hand, right? This is joined to our body. So this one is shoulder. Okay. So after knee, that is shoulder. Then framework of your inside of body, which is the body shape of bones, that is known as skeleton. Okay. After shoulder there is skeleton. And yes, needed to keep muscles strong. For what we can keep our muscles strong? We can do the exercises to keep our muscles strong, right? So we should do every day, okay students? And in the last one, picture taken by a doctor to study the broken bones, to check that bone is broke or not, right? What the doctor do? Doctor take the X-ray of that patient, right? If there is a broken bone, then what they do? They given a treatment to them, and they set their plaster to their arms and where the broken bone is there, right? So the first one, flesh, joint, fracture, skull, plaster, knee, shoulder, skeleton, exercise and X-ray. So as we have done now the worksheet 5, which is related to our body, which is our first chapter of EVS, right? So we have done our worksheet 5 also. Okay. Okay. Now let's do some sense organ from the first chapter, that is related to our, right, sense organ which we can see, which we can feel, right? As I said in our previous videos or in our previous classes, that if we feel, if we see, if we can hear, right, if we can touch, so all these are because of our sense organ. So we having our sense organ, as I said, nose, eyes, right, tongue, ear, skin. So all these are your sense organ. So from these pictures, we have to see that which organ suits them, right? Which activity suits that sense organ. So you can see if that girl is just taking a smell of flower inside from the nose, that is means that she is taking a smell, and that is also from the nose. So we have to show that organ, okay, the sense organ, from where they are feeling and they are expressing their activities. So let's do this. Okay, the first, that is already shown to us from our worksheet, that is nose. Okay, come to second one, which is a girl is what she doing? She is just rubbing the back of the dog. Okay, so what is this? She is touching the skin, which means she is expressing something by their hands. Okay, so by the skin we can touch and feel. Okay, so there is second one is skin. Come to third one. Okay, so from which we taste, that is tongue, right? We can taste sour, sweet, everything by our tongue. So there will be sense organ of tongue. Come to fourth one, where the headphones are on. Okay, so there will be ear, right? And then you can see a boy is, okay, see themselves into the mirror from the eye, that is also sense organ. We can see our friend shaking their hands with the other person, that is also skin. Okay, now here it is a noise is going through the ear, so ear is also a sense organ, right? And then come to next one, where a child is reading a book. Okay, so reading a book is from eyes, is right. So eye a sense organ. And we go to the other one where a child is eating. So eating from our mouth, which means from the tongue, he tasted. So that is tongue, right. And in the last, when we take a smell of the food inside our body, that is smell. And yes, smell we take from our nose, as we have done our worksheet 6 also. So today we have done our 3 worksheets which are related to our previous chapters. And yes, as I said, we will do 2 days worksheet, right, from Thursday, Wednesday and Thursdays for our worksheet, right. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.